Hey guys, makikipag-usap ako kay Lizzie ng English speaking. Dapat bawal magtagalog.
Okay, so nagbalik ulit yung
Speaking English. Don't speak Tagalog.
okay. Ay,
You know guys, I'm so happy because no class in this hour. What? Ano? What? What? Ouch! Oh my god. It's so,
so, guys, for today's video, I wanna, hindi ko alam.
Magtagalog ka.
Okay, tama na! Tama na! Pero guys,
The second, the
secondary po, hindi niya po masabi.
you know guys, I'm a grade 9 student and this is my friend and my classmate. And
And so English po tayo.
may Tagalog.
Oh, nagtagalog ka rin.
Simbata.
That is baby Jin, guys. That's my classmate. What? Don't be speaking Tagalog. Okay. You don't want to see your face.
Okay,
Oh,
guys.
that's my classmate. Yeah. Like Tagalog.
Sorry, guys.
Don't forget to
You know?
for me, it's so difficult to speak English. Because I don't know. Why? I don't understand.
Bumabalik na lang. Ah! Hindi ako narinig.
Like Tagalog. There's speaking Tagalog.
Ano? So, I don't know your hair.
My hair is so beautiful and so smooth. Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah. Your hair look your hair
Very
so
maganda.
so ugly your hair.
Ugly. Why?
Because so many split ends.
Split ends? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You.
This is my style.
Look my
Ow. This is my style to my hair. I don't mind this.
Mind this?
Don't mind my hair.
My hair.
So you don't want to see your face. Oh, that's Jenna. Please sample a song to me. English song. I don't want Tagalog song.
Okay. Maybe this night it'll belong to fight. Maybe how they can
Shut up.
just this pocket is mine, and I feel so right. Maybe this love morning, yeah. Okay, you.
Me?
So, yes, I don't
English
like
or
Tagalog.
English song. How do I breathe without you? I'm How do I breathe? I'll try. I'll sing it. How um how how are you in this school?
How are you? I'm here. Why?
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay.
Why?
Because I don't know.
Oh guys, that's my classmates, Clarence and Jovelyn.
Ayan. So, hi kayo sa vlog ka. Ah, vlog ka? Vlog mo ba? Sirain ko yung vlog.
Walang Tagalog, walang Tagalog. Walang Tagalog. Buong bawal yan.
Bawal. Sabi mo bawal.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. So, ako naman mga...
You're not cute.
So cute. Okay.
Yes. Listen.
May sakit ni ano?
You know guys, I think she's crazy now.
Miss nagtirik-tirik dito na siya.
She's feeling cute. Feeling cute. You so feeling handsome but you're not.
Sama ko, sama. Ilang bilis
Bawal mag-Tagalog. Don't
okay.
speak it Tagalog.
Okay. Don't speak Tagalog.
That's not my hand, guys. This is my hand. And that's my classmate hand. She had Facebook, guys, and you can follow here. Si Baby Jen, ano. Hi, and
Pangit na rin. Video ba?
I bet I wasted till the morning. Can I be honest? Gising sa umaga din. Walang alam, di mo ikaw ang
Sino bukol natin?
what's that, ba?
Gagolan mo, gagolan.
Okay, ganun.
I bet I wasted till the morning. Can I be honest? Di mo ikaw ang
Be serious, Titi. Be serious.
Ano? Hindi na may atindihan?
Can I be honest? Gising sa umaga din. Walang alam, di mo
Be serious.
Okay. Can I be on?
I'm so pagod-pagod to hawak-hawak na camera. I'm so tired.
Bombastic side-eye.
Ulit-ulit pa, isa pa, isa pa.
Missy, so missy. Please be serious.
Ha?
Kaya papanawagan ka si Missy sa inyo. Pwede mo ba ako sampulan ng English mo?
Okay. What's your name?
Yeah, pagpatuloy. Isip nakakagam ka na.
Ah,
Pagpatuloy. Speaking English. Speaking English nga eh. Sampul nga eh.
okay, sampulan.
What's your name papala?
What's ka pala? Kakatakpan niya. Shindawala. Ne. Yes.
Gawa ka na lang ng kwento. Dapat English.
Okay. One day, Anna is break up my boyfriend, and then she break up, and then she look, and then she crying. Yes. Night fall, and then my guy na lumapit sa kanya na sabi niya, why are you crying? And she said, she said, guy is don't. Hindi ko na alam. So, dito po tayo matatapos ang
Wala.
Oh, speaking English pa rin. And then, ikaw
Sige.
Sorry guys, ganun talaga ako. Pero
Once upon a time, there was a couple named Rolando and Leandra. Leandra. Couple is from poor family. Yes. And the couple was sad because he he never had a son and daughter. And one day, Gina is Leandra.
mali yung ano niya guys, yung speech.
One day, Leandra went to the garden and she said to her husband,
I don't understand because your English is
his husband is,
why
Sabi
are
niya.
you laughing to me?
She
Ganun
said,
ganun, ha? Why ganun
Yes.
ganun ako?
busy. Yeah.
Ha? Ha? Ano understand?
Nahihilo, nahihilo.
Busy ka dyan. Busy daw siya.
And ano ba yun? And his husband was happy because her wife is
Kung ano
have a child in the stomach. Stomach. Oh my God. Ako na guys, speaking English kasi nahihirapan na.
magatutok na yung ilong ko guys.
Asan yung baboy na? Baka ko lang ayaw ko ganun. I don't get you.
Bye-bye!
Guys, papakita ko yung love language channel. Ito yun, guys.
Diba? Mag-rap nga ako. Ah! 1, 2, 3, go. Kalubat na ako.
Aray, aray! Ba't ako? Oo, ka naman. Magkiram ka sa messenger.
Magkatuloy. Bog.
Wala.
Bog. 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 Bog.
Stop that. Stop, stop, stop. Giris ka mag-beat box at ang mag-ano.
Sige. Feedback. Ano yun?
Hindi, ganun. Yung ginawa ko.
One. One, two.
Tapos po, nagkakita sa ulo. Malik yung bayat mo lang sa pagkakas. Mataas ka pa din. Sila pa din. Sila pa din. Sila pa din.